So basically we're going to be working with cotton fabric, this African print, 100% cotton fabric. Got a piece of fabric measuring 16.5 inches wide and 11 inches long. Now this is the right side of the fabric, this is the wrong side of the fabric. So what we're going to do is just visually gauge where the midpoint is and then bring your fabric on one end to the middle like that, and the second one now. At this point you can decide to stitch, but this is a no sew project, so I'm just going to be using glue. So after doing this on this side, I'm going to do it on the other side too. So I'm going to leave this for a bit so that the glue sets in.